Does your financial data live in spreadsheets, while your project statuses are scattered across various tools? You might not even know if your team is over-allocated until someone burns out. With Workflow, all of that information is brought into one central place. Welcome to your command center, the main dashboard. This is your go-to spot for a quick glimpse into everything that matters for service businesses. Whether you need to create projects, tasks, or new jobs, you can handle it all from here. Here, you can easily view your current workload, the tasks assigned to you, and the projects you're involved with. All your job details are just a click away. See all your clients in one place. Clients can provide feedback or do check-ins effortlessly, which automatically sends notifications to your team if any contact is needed. Your Monday morning at a glance. Understand your workload, team capacity, and financial status in just 30 seconds. Use notifications, perform searches, or even provide feedback to the team right from this page, facilitating smooth communication and quick resolutions. You can also suggest new features or agents. Dive into the Clients page to see key metrics such as client retention and health scores. Each client receives a health score based on engagements, financials, and project delivery. Spot a client slipping to at-risk status here before it escalates to a phone call. Workflow goes beyond tracking clients. It highlights which ones need your attention. Dive deeper into client financial details, monitor revenue, and manage budgets with ease. Pre-configure your services, allowing you to set them up seamlessly. Define your target and bill rates if you charge clients per hour, making cost estimations straightforward. Introduce clients to the client portal. This enables real-time visibility of their project progress, eliminating the need for constant emails or calls. Explore your workload with Workflow's 3-tier system. Projects encompass jobs, and jobs consist of tasks. Everything is interconnected. Completing a task updates the job status, and once all jobs are finished, the project wraps up automatically. Forget about chasing manual status updates. You can easily view your work alongside your team's efforts. Check out the total hours assigned and how your team members are allocated. It's all visible at a glance. Track weekly team allocations. Easily view work schedules and availability, accounting for changes like upcoming PTO, ensuring seamless planning. As your team composition changes, your total costs adjust accordingly based on who is working and their respective hourly rates. No need to guess about team overloads anymore. Spot potential problems before they happen. Let's move on to the Financial Intelligence page. Analyze profitability by client, project, job, or workforce. Discover work that is unallocated or requires distribution, all within easy reach. Welcome to the Agent Dashboard. For teams ready to advance further, Workflow offers AI-powered agents that automatically analyze data and deliver insights. Schedule jobs effortlessly with real-time options. Whether you need a morning briefing or specific insights, just ask, and it's delivered to you. Set up team budgets. Within each team, manage these AI budgets with precision. Configure services for recurring tasks. Set them up once and deploy them easily as needed. Agents are fully adjustable, allowing you to turn them on and off as required. Customize agent permissions to maintain control over their functions and your team's interactions with them. The takeaway? Workflow is your solution for replacing spreadsheets, status meetings, and guesswork. Gain real-time visibility into your work, your team, and your finances, all in one platform. If you're running a service business and want to stop flying blind, Workflow is your answer.